I hope I got the right size because she's not like an extra large dog yet. She will be. But you're only a little baby.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my... I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day of duty, just to show you that my love is real.
Good morning. No, this is not a weekly vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I had a pimple here and now it's just like scarred a little bit. Today's video is going to be a bit of a Sunday self-care slash Sunday reset, Sunday routine kind of video. Basically, I'm going to have a bit of a self-care day in the sense that I'm just going to get ready for the week, clean the house, pop on some nails, just get really organized, put new sheets on my bed. It's a beautiful day today and I thought I would bring you through because whenever I watch people be productive and like get their shit sorted, it makes me want to do that. So I find that if I don't keep on top of like keeping the house clean or what, it just gets very dirty very quickly. It amazes me how fast I can clean something and then it just gets dirty. I kind of want to clean my carpet in my bedroom, but I borrowed a carpet cleaner from my friend, Elise. Anyway, but I just had a shower. It's like 7:30, I think. First things first, put some moisturizer on. I just find that if I'm prepared for the week on Sunday, I also need to edit the weekly vlog in between all this, which probably won't happen, but if I set myself up on a Sunday for the week, I feel like so much more prepared and I feel I have a better week because if I'm behind on a Monday, then it just like, I don't know. I definitely don't do this every Sunday, trust me, but we love a good Sunday routine, Sunday self-care reset day. So we've had a shower. I need to pick out what I want to wear. I think it's going to be hot today, which is so exciting. They've even started putting Christmas decorations out, which is kind of absurd. Like it hasn't been Halloween yet. I need something comfy, but something that's gonna allow me to like get down and dirty. I really want to clean my carpets. There's like a big stain from when Charlie has weed in here at one point. So it's gonna be a t-shirt kind of day. T-shirt and black pants. And I need to sort out my hair. I was gonna wash it today, but I think because I'm gonna be doing all the other things, washing is not on the agenda. I also need to dress.
Oh baby, can you even tell?
Alright, I think I'm just gonna go put a little bit of makeup on, then I'm gonna have some breakfast, and then we get stuck into my day. Turn off announcements forever. Like 11:30 I think, and I've just been cleaning. I cleaned outside a little bit, but it gets dirty really quickly because Charlie brings mud inside and whatnot. But I'm washing these couch cushions. I'm gonna stop with the cleaning for now and we're gonna do some nails, and then after this I think I'm gonna go into my office, organize my week, get work stuff sorted, and then maybe come back to cleaning and whatnot. So for nails, these are just from Kmart. They're really cheap, but they're like fine. They're like the Studio X brand. They're the long French tips. I just realized So I'm gonna pick out my sizes. Let's go down. I have very small nail beds, I've just realized. Why is there not a size in between? Am I tripping out?
Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look.
Okay, I've just done 4 of my fingers and I kind of hate them. I pulled off the little tabs. Granted, they are cheap, so like you get what you pay for. But like it ripped off some of the white and like they don't really fit my fingers very well. The ones that I used previously were the medium length ones, but I didn't think these would... Oh, first world problem. Okay, let me think. Let's put that thought on hold. BRB. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you'll probably remember when I used to do my DIY nails. I don't really do them anymore. Like I go through phases. Oh, actually no, that's a lie. I just don't really have the sizes for all of my nails. Like I need to order some more on Amazon. Go back and watch my other videos if you want to see like more in depth on how I do this, because I'm not going to go through it in this video. The issue is I have to file down the nails so I can get the correct sizes. I literally used to have my nails this long. I don't know how I did anything, honestly. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get out my sizes. I'm not gonna make them that long though, because oh my lord. These are also much better quality than the ones from Kmart. Okay, we're gonna do brown because I cannot find my red nail polish. This is just a random piece of plastic, but this is what I do. It. And I pop it on the surface. So I'm gonna do this to all the nails. In my office and I'm gonna write my to-do list. Actually, I'm gonna write my to-do list for today and tomorrow, even though I've already obviously started today. Sometimes it helps. I'm gonna write what I've done. So I wish I had nice writing. I'm gonna write wash outside, clean cushion, clean kitchen, clean bathroom, clean carpets, Charlie, sign up to gym, which I'm gonna do in a second, organize. This seems like a lot. What have I already done? Wash outside, check. Clean outside cushions, check. Clean kitchen, not quite there yet. Clean bathroom, it's kind of clean, but it's not quite there. Clean carpets, put sheets on beds, walk Charlie, not yet, sign. Organized week, about to do that. I'm gonna go edit weekly vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna get to these exactly. Weekly vlog thumbnail. I do love to have everything done for the weekly vlog on a Sunday. I don't know how long the weekly vlog is at this point.
We're good, we never left the ground, but we need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark.
Okay, I don't even know what content I've gotten for this video, honestly. I've had a pretty productive day though. I've pretty much finished editing my weekly vlog, which I actually kind of like. The weekly vlog, it takes so long to edit, but it always like turns out so much better in my mind, like when I really take the time to add in kind of like little extra edits and stuff. I think I'm gonna take Charlie for a WALK. I did buy her a harness, so we're gonna try that out. So I'm gonna walk my dog. I think I'm gonna do a hair mask, braid my hair, sleep in it, and then wash it tomorrow morning. And then I'm gonna tint my eyebrows. And then I honestly think I can put the couch cushions back because it's been that hot today that they were literally already dry. I just don't know how to put this on my dog. She knows. She's like, that's for me, I can tell. It has instructions. Step the dog's legs in between the neck strap and the chest strap. Oh, are you tired? But like, what's the neck strap and what's the chest strap? Okay, so that's like that part. This move sliders up or down on each side to adjust it. So obviously that clips like that. Okay, so that goes on the side. And then that goes up like that. Oh, I think I get it now. Can you adjust that? Surely. I hope I got the right size. Because she's not like an extra large dog yet. She will be. But you're only a little baby. Come here. Okay, I think I got it. Hey? Guys, I think it's too small. Is that too small for you? That's why I feel like I have it on backwards. Come on, let's go for a walk. Walk time. So I'm just kind of holding. She looks so pretty in this light. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Charlie. My only activity for the day. Getting some steps in. Come on, Chatty. Yeah. Just loving her life. She's starting to know what walk means, or like when I get her lead, she kind of knows. Very unattractive angle, but it's golden hour. Charlie, what have you got? Ta. Come here, Charlie. Come here. Come on. Just walking. Just a little trot. All the time in the world, don't you? Come here. I need to get one of those where you sling, what's it called, the tennis ball? Charlie, come here. You're over it now. Okay. You're meant to have towel dried hair when you put in Olaplex. This stuff is so good. So I'm just gonna put my hair up. I didn't wash it because I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. I've had such like a good day today because yesterday I felt so flat, but today I feel a lot better. I don't know what I want for dinner. Part of me wants to get something nice, but don't know. I'm gonna tint my eyebrows. But I think I'm only gonna leave it on for 4 minutes. Last time I did it, they went quite dark. And I don't really want them to be that dark. Ooh, is that bad lighting? Sometimes I can't tell if there's like lines on the screen. I need to go get a brush. Actually, I'm just gonna do this in my beauty room. The stuff stains, so be careful. Yes, I feel so much better because sometimes my eyebrows turn a little bit orange because I use like face tan and stuff, and that's not the vibe I'm going for. And then I'm probably just gonna put it up in a clip, and then when it like sinks in a little bit more, I'm probably just gonna braid it and then sleep in it and then wash it out tomorrow morning.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you.
I'm gonna also put on a gradual tanning moisturizer if I can find it. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Firming one. It smells really good.
I wonder why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do when it was just me and you. Don't without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby. My life used to be in blue. Now it's mostly filled with glue. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby.
Okay, so nails are on. I don't know why. Every time I have nails on like this, I feel like me. I don't know. We might have to make them a bit shorter. They are pretty long, but we'll see how we go. So I'm gonna make some moon milk and then I'm gonna braid my hair and then probably just watch some TV and go to bed. It's literally, what's the time? It is 8:28. But I'm gonna have some salted caramel moon milk. I've got my period at the moment, so, and please excuse the stain on my shirt, but what's new? The magnesium really helps with cramping and obviously helps me get to sleep. So actually, I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in. That is my last container of moon milk. And then I'm just pouring in some hot water. Some almond milk.
I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to.
That is the end of this video. It was kind of all over the place a little bit when I was editing. I also didn't film me making dinner. I think I just forgot. I basically just went straight to bed, watched some Netflix after I put in the hair mask, and that was my Sunday routine. I do love a good Sunday reset, just getting sorted, doing all the things. It's like therapeutic and it just sets you up for a really good week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for 500,000. That is insane. In my weekly vlog, I'll talk more about hitting 500,000 and stuff. I look so bad. I've just been editing all day and it's 12:30. But thank you so much. That is actually insane. But yeah, as always, I hope you're having a lovely day or night wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next one.